Hi, Kenya. I'm so happy to look at your portfolio after all this time. All right, so you've got your illustrations on there. Those are sweet. I remember you had more illustrations because you were in one of my illustration classes. I would put them all on the same page. Unless you really want to be an illustrator, then it makes sense to have page after page of them. These were nice. Put every project together. So if you've got one of these deals, put it to the right so people can see what it looks like in use. Unless, is this a design project that you did the entire thing? Then instead of showing bit by bit, put the illustrations on there, show the design, maybe make it, a whole presentation of exactly what you did. And as far as layout is concerned, you shouldn't see a shift. So try to line these up perfectly. That was really nice. I recommend here maybe putting an outline of the page. It's beautiful design and good solutions for illustration. Okay, I was confused by this. Why the hair on your logo? I thought the logo was strong enough. And this doesn't look like a very detailed illustration. It's sort of like a loop in Illustrator. I don't know. I liked it before, but it's your logo, and I don't know what went on in other classes. This, I think, looks very strong. And again, you want to put all this together as much as possible because you want to show the viewer something new. You don't want to bore them. And then you want to use really high quality images too. You can see this is all dithered out on mine. I didn't know what this was. It looks beautiful, but I didn't know what it was. Is it part of stationery? Is it part of an envelope of some kind? And this is your resume. It looks beautiful. And again, I might make a little shadowed indication of the edges of the paper. It's the cutest baby, except for my babies. Beautifully displayed sketches. This is exactly how they should look. Clean, clear, sharp, no sign of weird lighting, no sign of paper edges. Excellent. And plus your handwriting is really good too. It's friendly, positive, capable. Phonotech. Okay, I looked at your portfolio before and now it's coming back to me. Your design is great, but the photos, these are not great. I'm going to be honest with you. I would delete this out of your portfolio entirely. Unless you can take the time to do a beautiful photograph with maybe a left and right light on a white table with no background showing, then just don't even put it in your portfolio. Also, the paper's sort of flopping over. I know you can do a better job than that, so just delete these out. I thought these were strong logos, although that drop shadow is sort of a dated look. Consider reducing the feather, reducing the distance, and pulling it closer to the letter. That's a little more contemporary. Excellent illustrations. I saw these before for some reason, maybe in the other class. Really creative. I love this. Super creative and fun. Also excellent. I love that thin type down at the bottom. That red really pops. Funny, very capable, charming. Well done. Okay, so that's it. I'm sorry that's it. I wanted to see more. So those are my general thoughts. I think you have a lot of good stuff going on. You just have to work on collating it a bit more. Let me know if that doesn't make sense or you have any questions.